In this video, I'm diving into beam systems. I've always had a bit of a love-hate relationship with them. They're great when you need to place a run of beams based on a specific spacing or pattern, but because they live inside of a system, you give up some control. Every beam is tied back to that system behavior. Depending on the type of work your business unit handles, you may not even run into many situations where beam systems make sense. For example, for building steel, a lot of industrial projects involve pre-engineered metal buildings, which are typically delegated design. So to add a beam system, you go up to the Structure tab, go to the Structure panel, and you'll have this icon here for a beam system. So when you click on this, you have different ways of placing it. Layout rules, fixed distance, fixed number, max spacing. Each one gives you a different set of parameters to follow. So if you go fixed spacing here, fixed distance, you can set this for like 2 feet. Then if you were to go to pick on any one of these beams, whichever beam you cheat towards is the span direction. So now what's happening is these are spaced at 2 feet apart. Now you can click on this and they places all these beams. All the beams are in here. These are the W6x16s. Now if you want to change it, you can hit edit boundary and you could change beam direction, and you could pick over here, and if you hit OK, it'll change them the other direction. So if you place it in the wrong span direction up front, you can always correct it. So to explain how these layouts are working, you've got this one here set for fixed distance, which means it's going to be 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. Now if it just so happens that this spacing works out is an even 2 foot, but if it didn't, what it would do is it would put the remainders on the outside, depending on that you set this for the center. You could start at the beginning where it will do 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet, and then whatever's left. But typically center is what you would want for that one. If you set this here for fixed number, you can set this for however many you want, and it'll place them in exactly how far evenly spaced that you would need. If you change this to maximum spacing, and now what's going to happen is they're set for 2 foot max. None of them will be more than 2 feet apart. So if you were to make this like 2'6", you see it'll be the minimum that it takes. It won't exceed 2'6". Now if you set this here for clear spacing, it behaves more like the max spacing. Thank you for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. There'll be a lot more videos coming.